the time. But what does it actually mean for your wrinkles? Every day your skin is attacked by things called free radicals. You can think of them as tiny, chaotic bullets. They come from sunlight, from pollution, from stress, even from your own body's metabolic processes. These free radicals fly around and smash into your healthy skin cells, and they love to attack your collagen and elastin fibers, breaking them down. This is called oxidative stress, and it is a primary driver of visible aging. An antioxidant, like the purnictic acid in pomegranate seed oil, is like a shield. It heroically jumps in the way, takes the hit from the free radical bullet, and neutralizes it before it can ever touch your collagen. So just by taking this oil, you are providing your skin with a 24/7 internal defense shield against the very things that cause sagging and lines. But that's not all. This is where it gets really exciting. Studies, like some published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology, have shown that pomegranate seed oil doesn't just protect your skin cells. It actively nourishes them. It has been shown to stimulate the main cells in your epidermis, your skin's outer layer, called keratinocytes. By stimulating them, it encourages your skin to regenerate and repair itself more efficiently. It's like a gentle nudge, a whisper to your skin cells saying, "Hey, wake up. Let's act young again." It has also been shown to help slow down the action of those collagen-eating enzymes we talked about, the ones that inflammation turns on. And there's one more magic ingredient. Pomegranate seed oil contains phytoestrogens. These are natural, plant-based compounds that gently mimic the effects of estrogen in the body. After 60, and especially for postmenopausal women, our natural estrogen levels drop significantly. Estrogen is directly linked to collagen production and skin thickness. This drop is why skin can suddenly seem to get so much thinner and more fragile. The phytoestrogens in pomegranate seed oil can gently and naturally help support your skin, encouraging it to maintain its thickness and density. So you're getting triple action. You get an antioxidant shield, you get nourishment for skin cell regeneration, and you get gentle hormonal support to keep skin from thinning. This is as close as you can get to an all-in-one anti-aging oil. How do you use this one? Pomegranate seed oil is very, very potent. You don't need much. It's also quite thick and has a unique fruity flavor. Many people find it easiest to just add a few drops, literally just 5 or 6 drops, to a glass of water, a cup of tea, or a spoonful of yogurt. Again, make sure you are buying 100% pure cold-pressed pomegranate seed oil. It's an investment, but a tiny bottle will last you a very long time. This oil is truly about rebuilding your skin's firm, youthful cushion. Now, for our fourth oil. If borage oil was the supreme hydrator and pomegranate was the collagen protector, this next one is the ultimate healer and nourisher. Number 4. This is sea buckthorn oil. I call this one the golden glow healer. If you ever see this oil, you'll know it. It's a shocking, deep, vibrant orange or reddish orange color. That color is your first clue to its power. It is packed with nutrients. Sea buckthorn oil is almost unbelievable in its nutritional profile. It contains over 190 bioactive compounds. It has vitamin C in concentrations 12 times higher than an orange. It has vitamin E. It's loaded with beta-carotene, which your body converts to vitamin A, the very thing that retinol creams are made from. But its true secret weapon, the one that makes it so unique for aging skin, is a rare omega-7 fatty acid. It's called palmitoleic acid. Now we've talked about omega-3s, omega-6s, and omega-5s. Omega-7 is different. Palmitoleic acid is a natural component of your skin's own oils. It's part of your skin's built-in moisturizing and healing system. As we age, just like with GLA, our natural production of omega-7 drops off. When you ingest sea buckthorn oil, you are replenishing your body's supply of this critical healing fatty acid. So what does omega-7 do? It sends a powerful signal to your body to repair tissue. It is profoundly anti-inflammatory and is known to help heal and soothe damaged skin from the inside out. If your skin is irritated, damaged from the sun, or just looks tired and dull, sea buckthorn oil is like a golden ray of healing sunlight. It works on the mucous membranes as well, so it's famous for helping with dryness everywhere. Dry eyes and internal dryness, which can be a real challenge for many women after 60. And because it's so rich in those carotenoids, that's what gives it the orange color, it gives your skin an actual glow. Not a shiny, oily glow, but a healthy, vibrant, lit from within color. It's that subtle look of vitality that we all miss. When you combine the healing power of omega-7 with the collagen boosting of vitamin C and the repair function of vitamin A, beta-carotene, you have an oil that does it all. It hydrates, it heals, it fights inflammation, and it gives you a visible glow. If your skin feels damaged, dull, and lifeless, sea buckthorn oil can be the one to bring it back to life. A word of caution. This oil is potent. The pure oil is very thick, and as I mentioned, the orange color will stain everything. Your clothes, your countertops, even your teeth temporarily. For that reason, most people prefer to take sea buckthorn oil in capsules. You can buy soft gels that contain the oil from both the seed and the berry, which gives you the full spectrum of nutrients. This is truly like a multivitamin for your skin, delivered in its most powerful natural form. Alright, we have one oil left. We've covered inflammation, hydration, collagen protection, and healing. What's left? Well, this last one is all about balance. Number 5. This is hemp seed oil. This is the great balancer. First, let's be very clear. This is not CBD oil. It is not marijuana. Hemp seed oil is made by cold pressing the seeds of the hemp plant, and it contains no THC or CBD. It is a purely nutritional food, and it is 100% legal and safe. So why is it so special? Its magic lies in its ratio. Hemp seed oil contains what many scientists and nutritionists call the golden ratio of omega-6 to omega-3 fatty acids. It's a ratio of about 3:1. Why does this matter? In our modern diets, we get way too many omega-6s from things like corn oil, soy oil, and processed foods, and not nearly enough omega-3s from fish, flax, and walnuts. This imbalance, sometimes as high as 20:1, is a massive source of that chronic inflammation we talked about with oil number 1. Hemp seed oil, all by itself, provides these two essential fats in the perfect, harmonious balance that your body craves. It's like an orchestra conductor. It doesn't just play one note loudly. It steps in and ensures the entire fatty acid section of your body's orchestra is playing in perfect harmony. When your body is in this state of balance, inflammation naturally decreases, but it also does something else. The specific type of omega-6 in hemp seed oil is linoleic acid. This is another critical component of that ceramide mortar in your skin barrier, just like the GLA from borage oil. In fact, hemp seed oil is a bit of a jack of all trades in the best possible way. It contains that golden ratio of omega-6s and 3s to fight inflammation. It contains the linoleic acid to help rebuild your moisture barrier. It also contains a good amount of, you guessed it, GLA, the same magic ingredient from borage oil, though in smaller amounts. So, this oil is the ultimate team player. It helps calm, hydrate, and nourish the skin all at once. It's particularly wonderful for people whose skin can't seem to make up its mind. Sometimes it's dry and flaky, other times it's red and irritated. Hemp seed oil brings a sense of calm and balance to everything. And the best part, it's delicious and easy to use. It has a wonderful, nutty, earthy flavor, almost like sunflower seeds or walnuts. Like flax oil, you must not cook with it. It's a delicate finishing oil. Drizzle it on salads, mix it into pesto, pour it over steamed vegetables or baked potatoes, or just add a tablespoon to your morning smoothie. You must store it in a dark bottle in the refrigerator, as it can go bad quickly. Look for one that is organic, cold pressed, and unrefined. This is a beautiful everyday oil to bring your whole system and your skin back into a state of healthy, vibrant balance. So, let's quickly recap what we've learned. We have our 5 natural internal Botox oils. Flaxseed oil, the inflammation soother, to put out the fire that's eating your collagen. Borage seed oil, the ultimate internal hydrator, to rebuild your skin's moisture barrier and plump fine lines. Pomegranate seed oil, the collagen protector, to shield your skin from damage and support its firm structure. Sea buckthorn oil, the golden glow healer, to repair damage and nourish your skin with a full spectrum of vitamins. Hemp seed oil, the great balancer, to bring your body's systems into harmony and calm irritated skin. You don't need to run out and buy all 5 of these today. You can start with 1. Think about your own skin. Does it feel more inflamed and red? Start with flax. Does it feel more dry and papery? Start with borage. Does it feel dull and damaged? Start with sea buckthorn. The point is to start. I know it can be so discouraging to look in the mirror and not recognize the person looking back. To feel like your outside doesn't match the vibrant, wise, and strong person you are on the inside. It's not about vanity. It's about feeling good in your own skin. It's about looking in the mirror and seeing a reflection of your health and your vitality. Please, hear me when I say this. Growing older is a privilege, but it doesn't mean we have to just sit back and accept decline. It doesn't mean giving up. It means we have to get smarter. We have to use better strategies. These creams and lotions, they are a 20th century strategy. They only work on the surface. This idea of healing from the inside out. This is the strategy for thriving in your 60s, 70s, 80s, and beyond. These oils are not a magic wand. They won't erase 40 years of life from your face in a week. But they are a powerful, science-backed way to nourish your body at a cellular level, to give your skin the exact tools it has been crying out for. You can make a change. Your body wants to heal, and it is never, ever too late to start. Now, I would love to hear from you. Which of these 5 oils surprised you the most? Have you ever tried any of them before, or do you have your own secret for healthy skin? Please share your story, your questions, and your thoughts